If you're looking for professional day trading education and high-level trade analysis and dissection, you've come to the right place. My name is Pat Mitchell. I've been a professional day trader for the past 11 years, and I'm here to give you exactly that. Professional day trading education, all here for free on YouTube and on X. And today we are going to be going over a couple of trades that I took here today in great detail. Going to be going over entries, exits, all of that fun stuff, trade plans. Let's rock and roll. Give me 1 sec to fire up my charts. Let's do this. For those of you that are new to the channel, these blue levels are struck prior to the market open, and I then develop at 9 a.m. a trade plan that we stick to. We don't deviate. That's why we have the consistency that we do on this channel. It's something you probably don't see very often out there, but that's why we are professionals and we are prepared. So with that said, let's go over the very first trade here on SPY. SPY was a long, so the market opens up pretty high and dips down into this first level of support. It's not just any level of support. This is a main trend level support. We did gap above it. Now, I wasn't expecting it to hold this all day long and continue up, but as you guys know, for those of you that watch this channel, there is always a first reactionary bounce or rejection that we can take advantage of. And that's exactly what I did. So market opens, dips down, execute that trade. That's right here on my entries chart, which is in the lower right-hand side. Enter, exit. Blue triangles are entries, red triangles are exits. I then entered one more time as it was coming down and starting to confirm strength, and I would be able to get it back up to give a proper, retest of this level, which it did. So from entry to top target, that's it. That's all. Beautiful, very clean, easy peasy type of trade. And then let me get Qs. Qs was worked multiple times. Qs was a short by buying puts. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit further on this one so then you guys can see it nicely. 1 sec. There we go. So market opens up real high right into that resistance level. Obviously can't just go short there. We were wanting to, on any green candle up, take it short, but it didn't do that. So we had to wait a few minutes. So when it popped back up, initiated the short, and then easy peasy worked it all the way down, paid ourselves into targets. Really nice on that. And then as it came up, I wanted to look. There's one specific candle here, right where my pointer is right now. And that's starting to tell us a story. That's where I really start watching. And then I'm going to zoom in real close just so then you guys can see. So right here, this green candle, once it cannot clear highs, we know we're close and we need to be focused and watching very closely. Next candle opens, quick pop up, boom. That's where I need to enter. It is telling me it cannot go any higher right now. Now, again, this is 11 years experience doing this, and it is about reading these candles in this price action correctly based off of technicals as well. It's up against resistance, but you can't just take it sometimes, especially if it's a secondary test. You really need to pay attention and look for signals that it is good to go. And that's exactly what I did. So entered and then paid myself. Now, one of the entries that was really interesting on the way up here, or way down. Remember, these are puts, so I'm making money on the way up. But right here, when it washed, the next candle opened, dipped down very slightly, and it held this low right here. I needed to take that off. It's a split-second decision that you need to be aware of. Now, even if it went up a little bit higher and then you paid yourself, does it really matter? Not really, not at the end of the day. But when you're striving for mastery, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for those perfect executions, those professional and perfect executions. You're not making an emotional decision. You're actually reacting to what the information that you're being given on the charts. And there's a big difference there. So if you want to learn how to do this professional and in a professional capacity, come to tricktrades.com. And if not, you want to continue to enjoy the free stuff, go right ahead. It's just going to take you longer, but you do have to like and you do have to subscribe. But for those of you that are serious about this, over the weekend, get your shit together, come to tricktrades.com and work with a guy that can actually show you how to do this. So until then, I'm sure I will see some new faces in the room come Monday, and I'm looking forward to it. Adios, folks.